User availability with QAssign. We want the team members to manage their own availability for assignments. There are a couple of options within QAssign. The QA User Status tab allows each user to make themselves available or unavailable. There is the Change User option if you have the permission to see other users. This screen also shows which assignment groups the user is enabled in or disabled in. Another option is a component that comes with QAssign, which you can assign onto the utility bar of any appropriate application within Salesforce. Here we're going to add the user availability component into the service console. Here we choose the user availability lightning component and add it into the utility component. Now that it's been added into utility component of the service application, you can go into the service application and it will be visible on the utility bar. There's the component on the left hand side. Here the user can make themselves available or unavailable and see which assignment groups they've been defined in and whether they're enabled or disabled. This component can be popped out if necessary and held on the side of the application, or can be left on the utility bar and accessed whenever they choose. While popped out, the user is free to move the window wherever they like on their machine.